Hello and welcome to the short video on KUPO's 2-inch half coupler for Arri Skypanel PSU. The Arri Skypanel is one of the most popular light fixtures used in production today. The PSU, or power supply unit, is as solidly built as the fixture itself. As a consequence, it has a bit of heft, and as such, it's nice to have multiple mounting options, especially when rigging your Skypanel to a light stand, truss, or pipe grid. The 2-inch half coupler allows you to mount the PSU securely in just seconds to any tubing 2 inches in diameter. The half coupler is cast out of strong but lightweight aluminum, with a CNC milled aluminum rail designed specifically for the Skypanel PSU. Here we have a Skypanel rigged to a 2-inch pipe. Now let's rig our PSU. Mount the 2-inch half coupler for Arri Skypanel PSU. Mount the Skypanel PSU to the coupler. Connect the cables, and we are ready to strike our light. As you can see, you can quickly and safely mount your Arri Skypanel PSU in a few seconds to any tube 2 inches in diameter without any tools. Add some today to your grip bag and enhance the pleasure of lighting with an Arri Skypanel. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO we like to say, never let go.